How to fix error 651 in Windows and broadband connection. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I am going to show you how to fix this problem. So the first procedure is like this. You need to go to Control Panel and here you need to click on Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on Internet you're using and disable it and enable it again. So after that, the next process is to go to properties of the network you're using. Here you need to check on the Internet Protocol IPv6, then click on OK, then close this. So the next process is click Windows plus R and this run window will open. Here click CMD and your command window will open. Here type NES and IP reset.log and click on enter. It will show you if the reset was successful. So it will ask you to restart your computer to complete the reaction and go ahead and try the next procedure, which is again type in so after you click on enter, it will say if your auto tuning is disabled or not. In my case, it has said it failed because I've probably not restarted my computer. So let's move on to the last step, which is the system configuration. Go to start and type in system configuration and click on that. Here a new window will pop up. Here you need to check on the selective startup and uncheck the load startup items. After that, go to services and click on hide all Microsoft services and disable all. Then click on apply and OK. These are all the steps which will fix your error 651 in Windows. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.